Hello everyone. The topic that we are going to do today is promissory note. So this topic comes under money market, and this is another instrument of money market, like bills of exchange. Okay. So what is a promissory note? First, in brief, I'll tell you what is a promissory note. Promissory note is a document made by the debtor towards the creditor, that the debtor promises to pay to the creditor the amount of credit borrowed, the amount of money borrowed from the creditor. That means the debtor promises to the creditor. Okay, so there are two parties in promissory note. First, the drawer, and the second is pay. Okay, so drawer is the maker of promissory note. Okay, drawer is the maker of the promissory note. Also, the drawer is the debtor. Here, promissory note is made by the debtor, the one who has to give. Okay, see, like the name suggests, promise is made. So the debtor will promise to give the amount borrowed from the creditor, back to the creditor. That means the debtor is promising to repay to the creditor, okay, the amount borrowed at certain period of time. Okay, that is a promissory note. Now pay is the creditor. That means pay is the person who will receive the money. So let's go into detail. I'll just read out the definition. A promissory note is a negotiable instrument. What is a negotiable instrument? Negotiable instrument is a promise, a document of promise to pay on the spot or later. So promissory note promises to pay later. That's why it is a negotiable instrument. Checks are also negotiable instrument. That is, checks also promises to pay on the spot or later. Okay, containing a written unconditional promise. Here also the promise is unconditional. That is, there is no if in the promissory note. That is, suppose there are two parties, A and B, and A has borrowed from B. That means A is the debtor. So A cannot write in its promissory note that I will pay B if B takes me out for dinner. So this is a condition. So this cannot happen in a promissory note. Okay, it is duly stamped, signed by the drawer, like bills of exchange, to pay a specified sum of money to a particular person or the order of a particular person. It is made by the debtor. It is the amount that is borrowed, okay, to a particular person, that is payee, or on the order of the pay. Suppose payee has borrowed from, there are, see, A and B. So here B is the pay. Suppose B has borrowed from C. So now the person B pay can also order A to directly pay to C. Okay, that is order of the particular person. It is made by the debtor to borrow money from creditor. It is made by the debtor. So debtor is the drawer here, like we have discussed. The note must be in writing, carrying written promise to pay money to the creditor. Signature of the promisor is, that is, drawer of the note, must be there. The signature also should be there of the promisor. The date should be there. Both the promisor and promisee needs to be certain. So whoever is the promisor and whoever is the promisee, suppose A and B, A has borrowed from B. So who becomes the promisor? The promisor is A and the promisee is B. So both of these should be mentioned in the promissory note. The sum of money must be definite. So it cannot be like I promise to pay approximately 1000 rupees to be, no, this cannot be. The money should be, the amount should be definite. The country's legal currency should be used to discharge the debt. So if you have made the promissory note in India and both the parties are dealing in INR, then the discharge of debt should be in INR. You cannot be making the promissory note in suppose INR. Suppose you have made the promissory note as if I promise to pay B, I promise to pay, A promises to pay P INR 1000. So A cannot discharge the debt in dollars or in euros. Okay. Okay. Now, promissory note does not include currency note or bank note. So the promissory note does not include currency note. Whatever, suppose $100, 100 rupee bill cannot be a promissory note. Promissory note has to be a written document by the debtor. It is based on credit basis. Okay, so if you have taken a credit from anybody, then you become the debtor and you write the promissory note to promise somebody to pay. A 100 rupees bill cannot be the promissory note. A 100 rupees note or a 1000 rupees 500 rupees note cannot be a promissory note. Okay, now let's see, this is a promissory note. This is a template of promissory note. Amount of let's say 1000. Okay, and date suppose let's say 15th of April 2020. Place New Delhi, and I, Mr. ABC, this is the drawer or the debtor. Okay, the person who has borrowed the money, make commitment to pay XYZ company. This is the payee. Okay, this is the pay. The sum of rupees 1000. Repayment is to be made in the form of 200 equal payments at the rate of 7.2% of the rupees. That means you can also mention in your promissory note how you are going to pay. Are you going to pay in installments? Are you going to pay the full amount on a specific date? And if you are going to give the interest, how much interest are you going to give? That also has to be mentioned in the promissory note. Okay, in witness whereof I set my hand under the seal, this the date will come. Okay, the day 15th of April 2020. So here the signature of the drawer will come. Okay, and here the seal will come. This is a template of a promissory note. So promissory note is nothing but a negotiable instrument, that is an instrument which promises to pay to the creditor, to the pay or the creditor, the amount that has been taken on credit at a certain date, a specified amount which has been taken from the creditor at a certain date. And how that payment will be made, will it be made on installments, will the interest be there? So if you are paying the interest, that interest should also be mentioned in the promissory note. So this is promissory note.